Hi, this is the GBPJPY H4 chart. Today it's Sunday, 5th of May 2013, and right now it's 20:51 GMT time. And I'm going to show you a very profitable trade setup using Ichimoku Kinko Hio system. We're looking at the H4 chart. As I told you, we will use the H1 chart and we will monitor our trade from the M15 chart. But before we go to the smaller charts, let's see which are the prerequisites for our system to work, and which is the bigger picture. I must say here that the yen pairs are, I'm a big believer of the yen pairs because they're going to give huge profits to the traders who are aware of the monetary policy which is been in place since December by the Japanese government. So you must keep in your mind that apart from that, there are many pairs, many Japanese yen pairs, so your profitability potential gets multiplied because as you will see, they create similar price action patterns. So they are actually clones of each other. And if the GBP/JPY goes to this direction, the Euro/JPY will go to the similar direction, the USD/JPY to a similar direction, the NSD JPY to a similar direction, and so on. So instead of bleeding into the massacre of Euro USD, where another kind of games are being in place, I would suggest that you go for the yen pairs. You will be happier, you will get more, you will make more money, and things will be closer to your status of not being a huge player. So let's see here what Ichimoku Kinko Hio tells us. We see that the price action is definitely above the Kumo, above the cloud, so it is bullish. This green line is the Chiku span, which is above past price action. It looks upwards, it's definitely bullish, and it's a bullish confirmation. The leading Kumo, this is the leading Kumo, has an edge which is turned upwards and it's sharp. It shows huge bullish momentum, huge bullish potential, and it speaks loudly about going long. We just had a bullish Kumo breakout, and at the same time we had the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen bullish crossover. You can see it here, and the price also crossed over Kijun Sen, the blue line, and we also had the price and Kijun Sen bullish crossover. So we had three very strong bullish signals given to us by the Ichimoku Kinko Hio system. One is the bullish cloud Kumo breakout. Two is the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen bullish crossover. Three is the price crossing Kijun Sen, the blue line, and that's also bullish. And four, we had Tenku span crossing above the past price and going upwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4 strong bullish signals on the H4 chart at the same time. Huge. Now, let's see if the H1 chart is 100% bullish. It is. No need to repeat all those signals and all those parameters that we already saw on the H4 chart. We have a flag forming here because those bulls who pushed the price up here, they are closing some of their positions to cash out some of their profits before they continue pushing it higher. So it's not that bears jumped in, it's that bulls are taking a rest. They are making a small they cash a part of their profits. So this is a nice point for you to enter, because there will be a support here below this level, so you can put your stop here instead of here or here where the distance is huge. Let's go to the M15 chart. So we see the same, but in the smaller time frame. Again, we have a bullish picture, although Chinku span has touched the price. It goes horizontally. We have Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen going a bit horizontally, so we'd rather wait here for the M15 chart to give us a clearly bullish signal to enter long. We have the confirmation from H1, we have the confirmation from H4. Let's see how things look like on on daily chart. Perfectly bullish, perfectly bullish. You see how sharp the leading Kumo edge is here. You see how clearly upwards goes the Chiku span above past price action. You see that Tenkan-sen is above Kijun-sen, and we had a bullish crossover here. Price had crossed above Kijun-sen earlier and then retested it and went upwards again. So things look definitely bullish on the daily chart. Let's see the weekly chart. Definitely bullish on the weekly chart as well. And on the monthly chart, we have, you see here the formation of the leading cloud on the leading Kumo and its edge. We see that there is a reversal, and price wants, it currently moves inside the Kumo, and it will try to penetrate it and go out of it and break out of it. So things look bullish here, although Seiko span is below the Kumo, so the confirmation, the signal, the bullish signal is weak. The Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen bullish crossover is below the Kumo, so it's weak. The price and Tenkan-sen bullish crossover is below the Kumo, so it's weak, it's not strong. And all the signals we have, because they are below the Kumo, are weak, but we see that price makes a huge effort to go up. So let's go back to the time frame from where we will monitor the trade. It's the M15, and I would suggest you wait for a clear signal to enter long. Where you should put your stop. It's safe to put your stop a few pips below Kijun-sen. If you can't, put it a few pips below the upper border of the Kumo. And if you can't, if your account doesn't allow that, put it a few pips below the lower spike of these candlesticks from this sideways movement. But if you can put it below the Kijun-sen, that would be ideal. Thanks for watching.